everyone, myself lecturer Ms. Aditi Anil Kushare, Master of Pharmacy in Quality Assurance Techniques. Today we are going to discuss about the topic demography and family planning, that is the fertility from health education and community pharmacy. So the demography and family planning, that is fertility. The topics to be covered from our today's session are as follows: fertility and measures of fertility. Fertility is the natural capability to produce offspring. As a measure, the fertility rate is the number of offspring born per mating pair, individual or population. Fertility differs from fecundity, which is defined as the potential for reproduction, which is influenced by gamete production, fertilization, and carrying a pregnancy to term. A lack of fertility is the infertility, while a lack of fecundity would be called sterility. Human fertility depends on the factors of nutrition, then sexual behavior, consanguinity, culture, instinct, endocrinology, timing, economics, way of life, and emotions. Women have hormonal cycles which determine when they can achieve pregnancy. The cycle is approximately 28 days long, with a fertile period of 5 days per cycle, but can deviate greatly from this norm. Men are fertile continuously, but their sperm quality is affected by their health, the frequency of ejaculation, and environmental factors. The fertility declines with the age in both the sexes. In women, the decline is more rapid, with the complete infertility normally occurring around the age of 50. Fecundity, the physiological capacity of women to reproduce. Then let's see again about fertility. In demography, it is the actual birth performance of a group of women or to the relative frequency with which the birth occurs in total population or in the population exposed to it. This is the result of fecundity. Then the measures of fertility. In that, uses of fertility measurement are: first, quantify the birth performance of a population over a period of time. Second, it is used to compare the fertility levels of a number of population during a particular time interval. And third one, it exhibits a time trend in fertility in a population in the study of differential fertility by the various socio-economic, racial and ethnic groups. What we learned from this today's session, that is demography and family planning, that is fertility, the learning outcomes are: fertility and measures of fertility,